I actually got this car quite some time ago. I think almost 6 or 7 years ago from a thrift store. And I just got this car, and there was no remote control with this. So I thought I could just buy a remote control of Amazon that has a transmitter and receiver circuit. So this is, by the way, for 27 megahertz. You see that? So this is the transmitter part that will be installed inside of the car, and this is of course the remote control. So let's get started. Let's open the car up. Okay, so here if you see closely, the circuit inside is for 49 megahertz. The one I bought, or one I got, sorry about my throat, is 27 megahertz and not 49 megahertz. But it doesn't matter because we are going to change the entire circuit, the transmitter, or the transmitter and the receiver, or let's call it transceiver. Put this on the side. Let's open this thing up. This is probably a protection cover. I've also cut the wires, but I've kept a little bit of the wires remaining so that if anything goes wrong I could get back to the original position. So let's replace this with this. Now here on the circuits it's written L probably for the left, R for the right, and then we have what's that, P and B, whatever that is, but that's for the forward and the reverse. Okay, so this thing I've just made temporary connections. This is for the steering wheel. Let me add batteries. Close this thing up. This thing is running. Now I need to put batteries temporarily into this. Okay, so there are batteries in here now. This is not a very good quality battery pack. Okay, now the moment of truth. This is, by the way, the antenna that ultimately I'll connect it to this. Let me turn it on and let's see. Wow, not bad. Okay, it seems like I've connected the the motor in the reverse direction. So let me change this back, because when I move forward it goes backwards, and when I move backwards it goes forward. So let me just change this up other way around. This thing right here. Yeah, reversed now. and let's see again. Zoom out. Forward goes forward, backward goes backward. So the project is kind of a success. So now I'm going to make the connections with proper soldering. Okay guys, what I've done in addition is that I've taken out this box and connected the positive and the negative wires coming from this to the positive and negative wires of the battery reservoir, like right down here. Okay, and now this needs to be turned on all the time, and the button over here will actually control on and off. So right now it's off and it will not control. When it's turned on, it will be really nice. Okay. Okay, so yeah, let's get to the next step. Okay, finally this thing is connected, the back side is connected. Let's check it once more. Okay, sounds good.